Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we have a pretty fun video today. I'm actually going to be getting ready tonight to go out to dinner. So I thought it would be so fun to just do a full get ready with me. We're going to do everything from hair, we're going to pick our outfits, we're going to do our makeup. Now, anytime I'm getting ready to go out, I always like to make sure that I shave, exfoliate, and blow dry my hair. Those are like usually the things that take me the longest. I'm thinking I'm going to wear my hair straight tonight, which if you know me, you know that I never wear my hair straight. I always have to have some sort of wave or bend or texture to my hair, but I don't know why today I'm just in the mood for straight hair, and I'm thinking I want to do some sort of like smoky eye tonight. If my skin looks a little bit glowy, it's because I'm currently using the Phat Glow Facial by Henriksen. I've spoken about this on my channel before. I absolutely love this facial mask. It leaves your skin so baby smooth. Really does feel amazing. So I highly recommend this if you guys haven't tried it yet. On my body, I'm actually using the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. This is one of my holy grail products because it's a moisturizer and it's a tanner. So I find that if I apply that like in the morning, as the day goes on, my skin will pick up some color by the time I'm ready to go out, which is awesome. So I usually like to apply this earlier in the day when I know I'm gonna be going out at night, because I know by the time I leave, the tan will kind of begin to show up on my skin, and yeah, it just works out perfectly. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys over to my closet area and I'm gonna pick out a few different outfits that I'm thinking for tonight. Let's go pick out some clothes. All right, you guys, we are in the closet area now. I'm thinking I want to wear black tonight. I also have like this really cute silk top. But yeah, I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna go through and check out what I have. All right, so far I have 3 choices. So I have this blouse that I think is really cute. I could do maybe like a purpley kind of makeup with this. I think that would be pretty. And then I have the silk top, which is also cute. I could wear this with jeans and some booties. And then I have this really cute black kind of sweater dress. I have a blazer that I could wear maybe with like a tank top underneath. All right, I think I'm gonna narrow it down to these 3, so we will come back to this afterwards. For now, let's go into the studio and begin on our hair and makeup. All right, you guys. We are gonna begin with the hair because I think that's just easiest for me. My hair usually tends to stress me out the most, so once I get that out of the way, I can just quickly do my makeup and we'll be good to go. Firstly, I am gonna do some skincare because I just washed off the Olay Phat Glow Facial off my face, so I don't want my skin to get dry. So first, I'm gonna go in with my watermelon little skin mist and I'm just gonna gouge my skin. Next, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Moisturizer. I've been using this day and night lately, and I'm literally almost out. Highly recommend this if you guys haven't tried it. A really great hydrating moisturizer. So for eye cream, I'm gonna go in with the dr.brant Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Got this one in my BoxyCharm. I've been using it a lot as well, and I really am enjoying this. It has like a kind of cooling sensation when you put it on, so it feels like it's actually doing something, and I just really like it. All right, so that's all set. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my straightener. This one is the GHD Classic Styler. I don't even know if they still make this. I've had this for years, ever since I worked at Sephora. This was probably one of the biggest purchases I ever made there. It was so expensive at the time, and GHD in general is just expensive. But I mean, it works. It's what I have, and I don't know. Like I said, I don't wear my hair straight often, but I will say that is a really good straightener. Like, it really gets my hair straight, you know what I mean? So first, I'm just gonna make sure that my hair is parted correctly. I'm just gonna go down the middle. I'm gonna split my hair in 2. I do have my hair extensions in, by the way, if you guys are wondering. These are the Bellamy 22-inch extensions, and I always get the 220 gram clip-ins because my hair, again, is super thick. So the way I like to straighten my hair is basically just part it, clip it up. So I like to part it, and then I'll take my wet brush and I'll glide through the hair, and then I'll just glide in with the straightener, and I kind of work a little bit slowly until I get to the very bottom of the hair. If you don't straighten your hair with a brush the way I'm doing it, definitely try it out because it is honestly the best way to straighten your hair because it really like makes sure that the straightener gets into every single strand. I just find that it gives me the sleekest finish this way. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna keep doing all throughout the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on for you guys so you're not sitting there bored. And we're gonna go ahead and get this hair looking straight and slick.
Keep dancing in the moonlight. The shadows cover up my sins. Always smarter when in hindsight. But baby, I don't care to win.
Hold on, say hi to the vlog real quick.
Don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling I go when I say what we had. Would you come on over? Don't you miss me?
All right guys, so the hair is all set now. It's super sleek. So the only thing I'm gonna do is take a little bit of this Bedhead TG After Party styling cream. I'm just gonna pop this on my flyaways like that. I like to kind of blend it into my hands and then smooth it right over any flyaways. All right, so hair is looking good. So now let's get into the makeup. I actually changed my mind and I think I'm gonna do a pink smoky eye because the place we're going to is actually like really cute on the inside. It has like a pink aesthetic going on. So I thought it would be cool for some photos to kind of do the matching makeup. So I don't know if you guys can see, but that's basically what the place looks like that we're going to. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and create something cool.
Waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, put my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving.
Alright guys, sorry I had to speed through the makeup because I am running a little bit late, but this is how it came out. I love it. It's so freaking dope. I love it. It was so quick to do too, so. Now I'm gonna go change and I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Alright you guys, I'm all changed. Here is the outfit. So the jeans and the tank top are from H&M. Really cute basic pieces, and then the blazer is actually thrifted and it fits me so nice. I love it. And then I'm gonna give it a little pop with a little statement bag. This one has some fun rhinestones on it. I feel like the makeup really just ties everything together. I love how everything came out. I have to begin heading out, guys, so thank you so much for getting ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up so I can make more of these for you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next upload. Bye.